this is Jerry Wang and welcome to 1 Minute Bio News and delivering you the hot and nutritious K-Bio news. A detection technology capable of determining diabetes quickly and accurately using saliva and urine instead of blood has been developed by Korean researchers. They use a non-invasive method without drawing blood and with no infection risk or bleeding, and it is forecast to help promote the self-diagnosis of diabetes and prevent complications. A team of researchers from Korea Basic Science Institute developed a platinum nanopolymer functional composite materials for highly sensitive detection of blood glucose levels. They applied a unique structure designed for convenient self-diagnosis of sugar levels to develop a plastic self-diagnostic kit for microanalysis. The kit makes it very simple to perform a self-diagnosis. You can photograph the discoloration of the detect part with a smartphone and get a test result using the free computer software. The newly developed kit can easily detect the glucose level in the blood, urine, and saliva in just 15 minutes to the microgram level. The results of the research were recently published in Sensors and Actuators B Chemical, a global recognized academic journal in the field of analytical instruments and equipment. Thanks for listening to 1 Minute Bio News. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on notifications. Bye.